Welcome to Elga online class. In the last class, we learnt beginning sounds A to L and read different words. Okay. Today class, we will learn different beginning sounds M to T. Okay. M to T. Now look at the slide. Yes. What is the letter? L after M. L after M. The name of the letter M. The sound of the letter The sound of the letter Man. See the first word Man. See the second word Mat. Mat. See the next one Mango. Mango. See the last one Mouse. Mouse. Okay. The name of the letter M and the sound of the letter See the next letter. What is the next letter? The letter N. The name of the letter N. The sound of the letter Nose. See the first one nose. See the second one net. Net. See the third picture needle. Needle. Next nest. Nest. Okay. The name of the letter N. The sound of the letter in. Okay. Next see the next letter. What is the next letter? The letter O. The name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. Okay. See the first one. Orange. Orange. See the second one. Oil. Oil. See the third picture. Ox. Ox. See the fourth one. Octopus. Octopus. Okay. The name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. Okay. What is the next letter? The next letter P. The name of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. Peak. Peak. Parrot. See the second picture? Parrot. Parrot. Pencil. Pencil. Plant. Plant. Okay. The name of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. Okay. Is it clear? Now go to the next slide. Yes. The next letter Q. The next letter Q. The name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q. Queen. Queen. Quill. Quill. See the next one. Quill. Next one. Quilt. Quilt. Okay. Once again, the name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q. See the next letter. What is the next letter? R. The name of the letter R. The sound of the letter R. Okay. R. Rainbow. R. Rainbow. R. Rose. R. Rose. R. Ring. R. Ring. R. Rain. Okay. The name of the letter R. The sound of the letter R. See the next letter. The next letter yes. The name of the letter yes. The sound of the letter Sue. Sue. Star. Star. Sofa. Sofa. Sun. Sun. Okay. The name of the letter yes. The sound of the letter is that clear? Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter? Yes. T. The name of the letter T. The sound of the letter Ch. Ch. Chow. Ch. Chow. Ch. Turtle. Ch. Turtle. Ch. Table. Ch. Table. Ch. Tomato. Ch. Tomato. Okay. Once again, I read these words. Listen carefully. Okay. Yes, the name of the letter M, the sound of the letter First one, man. First one, man. Second word, mat. Second word, mat. Third one, mango. Third one, mango. Mouse. Fourth one, mouse. See that next letter. Next one, N. The name of the letter N. The sound of the letter N. Nose. Net. Needle. Nest. Okay. Now go to the next letter. What is the next letter? O. The name of the letter O. The sound of the letter A. Orange. Oil. Ox. Octopus. Okay. Now go to that next letter. The next letter P. The name of the letter P. The sound of the letter P. Pig. First one pig. Second one parrot. Third one pencil. Next one plant. Next one Q. The name of the letter Q. The sound of the letter Q. The first word is queen. The first word is queen. Second one quill. Second one quill. Third one quill. Quill. Third one quill. Last one quilt. Last one quilt. The next letter R. The next letter R. The name of the letter R. The sound of the letter R. R. Rainbow. Ring. Rose. Rain. Okay. Now go to the next letter. The next letter S. The first word is soup. The name of the letter S. The sound of the letter S. Soup. Star. Sofa. Sun. Okay, now go to the next letter. The next letter T. The name of the letter T. The sound of the letter Ch. Okay, the first one is chop. The first one is chop. Second one turtle. Third one table. Next one tomato. Next one tomato. Students, in the phonics session, we learnt letters beginning sounds from letter L to T. Sorry, M to T. Okay, I hope all have understood this session. Now go to the next session. What is the next session? Whole words. Okay. Today, the whole word session, we will learn 4 whole words. The first one is the. First one is the. Second one, get. Second one, get. Third one, to. Third one, to. Third one, to. Last one, for. Last one, for. Okay. First one is the. Second one is get. Third one is to. The last one is for. Last one is for. Okay. Now see the first whole word the. The first whole word is the. Next we will see the examples using the whole word the. Okay. The first whole word is the. Next we will see the examples. Okay. They go to the toy shop. They go to the toy shop. Where is the whole word? The. Yes, it comes after to. The. Okay, this is the first example. Okay, they go to the toy shop. See the second example. The second example is they go to the car shop. They go to the car shop. Where is the whole word the? Yes, it comes after to. Okay, the first whole word is the. The first whole word is the. Next you will see the example. The first example is they go to the toy shop. They go to the toy shop. See the second example. They go to the card shop. They go to the card shop. Okay. Now look at the slide, students. Yes, the first whole word is the. The first whole word is the. Next we will see the examples. The first one is they go to the card shop. They go to the card shop. See the second one. They go to the toy shop. They go to the toy shop. Okay. Now go to the next whole word. Okay. What is the next whole word? Get. The next whole word is get. Next we will see the examples. The first example is they get a cake. They get a cake. Where is the whole word get? Yes, it comes after they. Okay. Now see the second example. They have two cars. They have two cars. They have two toys. The first one is sorry students. They get two toys. They get two cars. Okay. Where is the whole word get? Comes after they. Okay. The second whole word is get. Next we will see the example. The first example is they get a cake. They get a cake. Next one, they get two toys. Next example is they get two toys. Okay. Now look at the slide. The second whole word is get. Yes. The first example, they get a cake. They get a cake. They get two toys. They get two toys. The second example is they get two toys. Now go to the next whole word. What is the next whole word? Two. The next whole word is two. The next whole word is two. Next we will see the example. The first example is they get two toys. They get two toys. Where is the whole word two? Yes, it comes after get. Okay, see the next example. I have two cats. I have two cats. Where is the whole word two? It comes after have. Okay, I have two cats. The next third whole word is two. Okay, next we will see the examples using the whole word two. Okay, the first example is they get two ties. They get two ties. Second one is I have two cats. I have two cats. Now look at the slide, students. The next whole word is two. The example, they get two toys. They get two toys. I have two cats. I have two cats. The next whole word is for. The next whole word is for. Next we will see the examples. Okay. The first examples. What? They are for shopping. For shopping. Okay? What they are for shopping. Second example is, the first example is, what are they for shopping? What are they for shopping? The second example is, I got a pen for you. I got a pen for you. Okay. The last whole word is for. Next we see the examples. The first example is, what are they for shopping? What are they for shopping? The second example, I got a pen for you. I got a pen for you. Look at the slide. The next whole, last whole word is for. What are they shopping for? What are they shopping for? Okay. See the next two example. I got a pen for you. I got a pen for you. Students, now go to the next session. The next session is reading and listening comprehension. Okay. Before go to the story, we learnt in the last class we learnt parts of a story book. One time we recap this. Okay. What are the parts of a story book? Parts of a story book. There are 5. The first one is front cover. Second one is back cover. Third one is title. Next one is author. Last one is page number. These are parts of your story book. The first one is front cover. Second one is back cover. Third one title. Fourth one author. Last one page number. Now look at the slide. Yes, parts of your story book. They circled the first one, front cover. Okay, front cover. Next one, back cover. Okay, back cover. Next one, title, name of a story book or a story. Title, name of name of the book or story. Name of the book or story. Next one, author, the person who has written the book or story. The person who has written the story or a book. Okay. Last one is page number. Okay. The first one is front cover. Second one is back cover. Third one title, name of the book or story. Next one, author, the person who has written the book or story. Last one is page number. Okay. Students, next we will learn characters. Okay. Who are characters? Who are characters? Characters are people or animal in the story. Okay, they are called characters. Characters are people or animal in the story. Animal in the story. People or animal in the story. So they are called characters. Okay, people or animal in the story. This is character definition. Okay, characters, people or animal in the story. Now look at the slide. Characters. Characters are the people or animals in the story. Okay, the various characters in all our stories. Okay. See the slide, students. Rahul, fruit seller. Ram, Ronnie, Anu, Sita, Geeta, policeman, milkman. The various characters in our story. Okay. In the reading and listening comprehension session, we will read new story. The title of the story is The Fruit Seller. The title of the story is Fruit Seller. Okay. Are you ready? Now go to the story. Once again, characters means characters are the people or animals in the story. Okay, these are called characters. Characters are the people or animals in the story. Now look at the slide. The title of the story is The Fruit Seller. The title of the story is The Fruit Seller. Author Komal Ramchandani. Author Komal Ramchandani. Illustrated Hiddi Bekha. Illustrated Hiddi Bekha. Hiddi Bekha. Okay. Today we will learn new story. The title of the story is The Fruit Seller. Author Komal Ramchandani. Illustrator Hiddi Bekha. Okay. Now go to the story. Look at the slide, students. Yes, the title of the story is The Fruit Seller. What is the meaning fruit seller? Yes, Pala Vyabari. The fruit seller means Pala Vyabari. Okay, I think the story is about fruit seller. The title of the story is Fruit Seller. Okay, written by Komal Ramchandani. Written by Komal Ramchandani. Illustrations Hiddi Bekha. Illustrations Hiddi Bekha. Okay. Now I read the story, students. After you can follow me. Okay. Okay. Now I read the first page. See the first page. Here comes the fruit seller. Here comes the fruit seller. Fruit seller means Pala Vyabari. Who sells the fruits? The fruit seller. He sells different types of fruits. Okay. Here comes. Here comes. Here means what? Ge comes. Ge comes the fruit seller. Here H-E-R-E. Here comes. C-O-M-E-S comes. The T-H-E the fruit. F-R-U-I-T fruit seller. S-E-L-L-E-R comes here the fruit seller. Okay. Here comes the fruit seller. Now go to the next page. Okay. He comes to my house. Look at the slide, students. See the second page. What do you see in this picture? Yes. The fruit seller, comes to my house. He comes to my house. He comes. C-O-M-E-S comes to. T-O to. My. M-Y. My house. H-O-U-S-E. House. He comes to my house. Okay. Now go to the third page. He brings many fruits. He brings many fruits. Look at the picture. The fruit seller brings many fruits. Okay. He brings. B-R-I-N-G-S. Brings means what? கொண்டு வந்திருக்காங்க. Okay. He brings many fruits. B-R-I-N-G-S, brings many. M-A-N-Y, many fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. He brings many fruits. Once again read the second page. He comes to my house. He comes to my house. See the third page. He brings many fruits. He brings many fruits. Okay. He gives an orange to me. Do you like orange? Okay. He gives an orange to me. He gives. G-I-V-S, gives. And orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. To. T-O, to me. M-E, me. Okay. He gives an orange to me. எனக்கு அவரு ஆரஞ்சு கொடுத்தாரு. He gives an orange to me. See the fifth page. He gives a pear to Anu. Pear means what? Perika. Okay. He gives a pear to Anu. Have you seen this pear fruit? Yes, this is pear fruit. Okay. Can you see this? Pear fruit. Perika. Okay. He gives a pear to Anu. Okay. Once again, I read these pages. Fourth page, he gives an orange to me. Fifth page, he gives a pear to Anu. He gives a pear to Anu. Okay. He gives grapes to Ram. He gives grapes to Ram. What is this, students? Grapes. Do you like this? It's very juicy. No? Yes. He gives grapes to Ram. He gives. G-I-V-E-S, gives. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. To Ram. R-A-M, Ram. Okay. He gives grapes to Ram. See the next page. He gives a papaya to Geeta. He gives papaya. Have you seen this papaya? Okay. He gives. G-I-V-E-S, gives. Yeah, papaya. Papaya means papali pad. Papaya. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya to. T-O to Geeta. G-I-T-A. He gives a papaya to Geeta. He gives a papaya to Geeta. See the sixth page. He gives grapes to Ram. Okay. He gives grapes to Ram. He gives a papaya to Geeta. Okay. He gives a mango to Sita. He gives a mango to Sita. Students, what is this? This is mango. This is mango. Do you like mango? Yes, I am also like mango. See the slide. He gives a mango to Sita. He gives a mango to Sita. He gives. Gives means what? கொடுக்கிறது. Gives. G-I-V-E-S. Gives. Yeah. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. To Sita. Okay. He gives a mango to Sita. Is that clear? Now go to the next page. Okay. See the next page. What do you see in this picture? He makes us all happy. He makes us all happy. What is the meaning happy? Magirchi. Okay. He He makes. Makes means உருவாக்குறது. Create. He makes us all happy. He makes us all happy. Once again, see the 8th page. He gives a mango to Sita. He gives a mango to Sita. See the last page. He makes us all happy. He makes us all happy. Is that clear? I hope all are understood this story. Yes or no? Okay. Students, next we will learn 4 vocabulary words from this story. Okay? We will learn 4 vocabulary words. The first one is fruit seller. The first one is fruit seller. What is the meaning fruit seller? Fruit seller, பழ வியாபாரி. Okay. Second vocabulary word is fruits. Second vocabulary word is fruits. Second vocabulary word is fruits. Okay. Third one is papaya. Third one is papaya. Last one is pure. Pure. Okay. Today we will learn 4 vocabulary words. The first one is fruit seller. The first one is fruit seller. Second one is fruits. Second one is fruits. Third one is papaya. Third one is papaya. Next one pure. Next one pure. Now look at the slide, students. The first vocabulary word is fruit seller. F-R-U-I-T. Fruit seller. S-E-L-L-E-R. Fruit seller. Fruit seller means pala vyapari. Okay. The first vocabulary word is fruit seller. See the second vocabulary word. Fruits. Fruits means palangal. Okay. Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. The second vocabulary word is fruits. Third vocabulary word is papaya. Papaya means papaya pala. Papaya. Okay. P-A-P-A-Y-A. Papaya. The last vocabulary word is pure. P-E-A-R. Pure. Okay. The last vocabulary word is pure. Students, in the last class, we learnt in grammar session naming words. What is this? Naming words. Naming words are names of a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Okay? A naming word, a name of a person, okay? Name of a person, name of a person, a place, an animal, animal or thing. Okay, yeah, thing. This is naming words. Name of your person, your place, an animal, your thing. Okay, this is naming words. Now look at the slide. This is your activity, students. Circle the pictures of naming words. Circle the pictures of naming words. Naming words, a name of a person, an animal, a place or a thing. Okay, this is naming words. This is your activity. Can do this. Okay. Now go to the next one. Students, today class, in the phonics session, we learnt beginning sounds M2, T and red words also. Next, the whole word session, we learnt 4 vocabulary words using with examples. Next, the reading and listening comprehension session, we learnt parts of a storybook and characters, and read the new story also. The title of the story is The Fruit Seller, and we learnt 4 vocabulary words, and we learnt the grammar part, naming words, and we have activity also. I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you, students. Take care.